us this cordless vacuum cleaner so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. As you can see, this is the T350 cordless vacuum cleaner. So when you open it up, you're gonna have the user manual, and here's all the parts. You have the extension arm here. You have where the battery goes and inserted in the unit. You have a suction tool, a cleaning brush, another type of suction tool. This looks like it's for upholstery. You have the main unit itself here, which is very light, I want to say. It is very, very light. The wall mount, so you can install this on a wall or somewhere like that. You have the main vacuum bottom. As you can see, it does have different type of brushes. So this is a firmer brush. This is a more fluffy, soft brush for different types of floors. So this is effective on hardwoods where these brushes can get down in the grooves. Then you have this softer brush that is going to work well on, let's say, tile or any other type of smooth floors. But all this is going to be great for carpet as well. This is also very light. There is a light in the front. And it does have some little wheels here to help guide it. So that's really nice. It is very flexible here, so it's going to be able to get flat to get under furniture and to move either way. So that's really nice as well. Here is the filter. This is a HEPA style filter. And the plug for charging. So let's go ahead and put it all together and see how it works. All right, before putting it all together, I do want to show you that this is the main extension to the vacuum and that it is adjustable to different heights. So as you can see here, it's got little notches, so you can make this shorter and it locks in place, or longer if you're tall like me, and that locks in place as well. So that's really nice and very unique to this vacuum. I have two other brand vacuums that are similar to this, and none of them have the extension arm like this one does. So that to me is a huge plus. All right, so let's put this together. So here is the main motor, and this is the battery. You're gonna wanna slide this into place until it snaps, as you got there. Then you want to place your extension arm here. Make sure that snaps into place, and we'll find a comfortable extension, a comfortable notch for us. Right now, I'm going to do the smallest just for the sake of this video. So once we have that, let's go ahead and attach the vacuum module at the bottom. And here is our full vacuum. Oh, well, we do want to put in the filter before using, and to do that you're going to open the base here with this notch that's going to open up, and you pull the unit out. Oh, it already has a filter, so it does come with an extra filter, which is good. So when you want to clean this out, you can when you want to clean it out, you can just replace it with the other one. So let's go ahead and put it in. When you put that back in, you want to just do a small twist and make sure that is locked in place. Let's turn it on. Here is the on-off switch. All right, so there's the on-off switch. And this is going to show you how much battery you have left. Right here, if you push the button on the back, it's going to change the suction speed. So you can hear it change. So that is going to help you. Let's say if you're on a carpet, you want the high suction just because the items in the carpet are going to be deeper. So overall, I think this is a great little vacuum. I think it looks great, and let's test it out on the floors. All right, so here we have it on the floor. And again, because I'm tall, I'm going to want to extend this. So let's go ahead and do that. So now I extended it as far up as it's going to go, and for my height is perfect. Let's turn the unit on. Right now I have it on the low setting. Let's do high. And even on the high setting, it is very easy to roll around, which is nice. Let's feel the suction. The suction quality is very nice. It's holding the manual, so that's good. Alright, so overall I think this is a great little vacuum. It's very light, very easy to use, and the suction is great. So we would highly recommend the Trucozie vacuum.